All right, next on my shopping list, a new phone.
What happened to that mini cell phone I gave you, sir?
Oh, I thought that was a lemon drop. Well, well, what have we here? Come to Papa. Help me! Help me!
Hey, you're not a penny.
You're getting a free dinner. With me.
Me? But that's you.
I'll pick you up at 5 tomorrow.
Dinner with Mr. Burns. What a waste of my precious, precious Saturday night.
Hey, Dad. Have fun with your boyfriend.
He is not my boyfriend. My favorite is Chicago deep dish.
Chicago, eh? Well, what if I took us there now?
Drive to Chicago?
Who said anything about drive?
Private jet?
My name is Svetlana, but you can call me Hey Baby.
And just so you know, she'll do anything for you.
This is wonderful.
Now, why don't you listen to the musical stylings of Mr. Lionel Richie?
Oh, my God. Lionel Richie.
Hey, you, beer me for always.
Oh, make every word beer. Beer, 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 beer. No! If I leave the plane, I'll be just like everyone else. Svetlana!
Oh, hush. Now, let's enjoy the Miami of Canada, Chicago.
Never ever let you down. It's mine.
Now we take you to a drunken billionaire at a Starbucks in Siberia.
Our coffee costs $1 billion. This is Starbucks. In Siberia.
While you were here, we felt like New York.
I'm so happy.
Homer, you smell like Chicago. Homie, what's wrong?
I had it all for one night. Now, for the rest of my life, I'll know what I'm missing. And all I have to remember it by is that my ears haven't popped.
Hi, Dad.
Hi.
That's where you're wrong, Homer.
A fresh face!
This is Colby Krause. I hired him to help you improve your life.
I don't need any shrink, therapist, counselor, motivational speaker, or guru.
I'm a life coach.
Oh, tell me more.
Okay, now I just want you to do what you normally do.
Okay. I'll just, I forget what I do. What's the point of putting my socks on? I just have to take them off again a week later.
Homer, before you even head out the door in the morning.
Think positive, think positive.
Do you want to get a reaction shot of his butt?
No, but we should get some background noise. Everyone quiet for 4 seconds.
Go! What? Go! I really enjoyed paying you to yell at me and say I suck, but it's no use. I'm a hopeless loser and always will be.
Homer, you're up.
This I can do. Yeah! Wow! Way to go! Behold my 217 average and weep. As I said, I've lost all hope.
Homer, here in the bowling alley, you're a totally different man. I want you to wear those bowling shoes out the door and everywhere you go. It's crazy, but it just might work. These are letters from companies interested in interviewing you.
How many of those have private planes?
This one.
I'm getting that job.
Now, to make sure you're motivated to get this job, you have to quit your old one.
You here for the safety inspector job?
Well, I can see the position of handsomest CEO is already taken. I got the job!
Yay, could do it. Good luck on your first day, Dad. Give him hell, Homer.
We're all so proud of you, sweetie.
Can I help you?
I have no job and nowhere to go. What do I have to buy so I can sit here all day? Look happy.
So, how was your first day at your new job?
Oh, it was great.
I'm so proud of you, Dad.
Stop peppering me with questions.
Freak fry!
Look out! If it touches you, you die of suicide! Dad? Why aren't you at your new job?
I lied. I didn't get the job. You see, when I got there...
Do you know anything about copper tubing?
Come on, say you're hired.
No.
Couldn't bear to tell your mother, so I hang out here all day.
But Dad, you gotta tell her. She's been buying brand name grocery.
Honey, it's something I have to tell you.
It's bad news, isn't it? I should never get my hopes up. Nothing ever works out for us.
No, it's, good news.
Really?
If I'm gonna tell that woman the truth, I'm gonna do it in the one place no one can ever be sad. Okay, so this should be enough money to get me up in the air.
Look at this business center. Fax, Wi-Fi, teleconferencing capabilities. I'm gonna remember this day for the rest of my life.
I gotta be honest.
What was that?
I didn't think I'd be flying today, so I was doing heroin. Oh.
Homie, what are you doing? There's only one man who can help us now.
Marge, please, I'm with a client.
You can at least tell my husband something encouraging.
I'm trying to land a plane with no experience.
Homer, I gotta tell you, I'm not very good. I went to the Harvard of the South.
Duke, that's good.
No understanding of the limits of your power and a complete lack of concern for what anyone thinks of you. So you'll land that plane. And do you know why? Because I heard some guy say you couldn't.
What? I'll show him.
You did it! You landed a jet!
And now the taxi to the terminal. Marge, flying in private jets is great and all, but it's just too dangerous. That's why I've decided to go to the plant and beg Mr. Burns for my old job back.
Mr. Ritchie, your American Music Awards are weighing us down. Let them go.
You let yours go.
I don't have any.
That's right. You don't.
Don't know about you. Don't know about you. I still don't know about you. I surely don't know about you. Don't know about you. like clique 달콤한 네 분위기로 녹여줘